Hello, my Frizzy friends. You are here because you enjoy being on my channel with me and you want to get more content that is just for you. If you are interested in joining my new memberships here on Frizzy Bee Crochet, I encourage you to have a look below where you'll end up getting new emojis as more members come on. Those are all going to be hand drawn by me. So we've got some of Frizzy already, but we've been unlocking more as more members join the channel. And also you get a little loyalty badge, also illustrated by me, next to your name whenever you join us in chats on live streams as well. You have access to our community on Discord. You also get first access to all videos and tutorials that come out here on the channel before anybody else, and a lot of fun to get to know you guys even better. I love that you've considered being a part of my members here, and thank you so much again for being with me here on Frizzy Bee Crochet. All right, guys, see you soon. Bye.